And welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. As we have seen the US tariff being paused, okay, that is where the price of natural gas has come up a little, okay. But as soon as the tariff was announced, we have seen there is a fall in the price of natural gas, and we have seen the price of crude has fallen sharp, okay. And if you look at this trend in the gold and silver, the price was rising and the tariff was there. As soon as the tariff was paused, we have seen there is a rise in the price of crude also, the rise in the price of natural gas also, and then the price of gold and the silver price has fallen because the profit booking has come, and now the price of these staying high. Looking at this particular chart, there is a higher chances that the price of natural gas can go further upside. Okay, this is the day-wise chart. So your risk, your targets, okay, your SL and your target will be as per the day. Okay, if it weaks, your SL will be changed and your target will be changed, because there will be a lot of price movement according to the week and the day wise. Okay, before I explain you the natural gas price on the day wise chart, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at this particular chart of natural gas on a 15 minutes base, you can see if you look at this particular chart, we have seen the price on the volume has increased here, and that is where we have seen the rise in the price of natural gas. Okay, and similarly, if you have seen this particular level, we have seen the rise, so we have seen this candle is forming. Okay, and at this particular level, we have seen the price whenever there is a rise in the price, there is a chances that we can see a reversal can come, or that is where we can see there is a chances that we can buy this. Suppose at this particular level we have seen a fall has come, after that a profit booking has come at this level. Okay, this is a 15 minutes chart. It is mostly breaking out when there is a zone breakout happens. We have seen a good movement looking at this particular chart, so you can understand on the basis of 15 minutes chart what we can do. Okay, if you have any doubts or you want to start some of suppose you are a beginner and you want to start some education related to trading on natural gas or any other commodities or Forex currency pairs, you can mail me on my mail ID as well as Instagram. Okay, Instagram mail ID, or you can see the link is there in the description also. I'll post it here also. You can join the Instagram also. Okay, now coming back on the natural gas device chart, you will see how the price is moving. If you look at the price of natural gas on the device chart, we have seen on Friday the price was trying to go higher, but the volatility is not as compared to what we have seen in the previous days. Okay, it made a high of around 3.645 and a low of around 3.46. This is what we have seen, not much of a movement. Okay, but if the price sustain above this level, probability is high it can touch a level of $3.63. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see it can cross this particular level, and the probability of going towards 3.77 and then further high. But if the price started falling below $3.52, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, there are a lot of factor depends, but dollar index plays an important role. Okay, so when I explain you that the dollar index goes high, we see the natural gas price comes down. Similarly, dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. Okay, this is for gold also, silver also, and crude also. Okay, because they are inversely related to each other. Okay, because there is a higher chances that if the price, but what happens sometimes, the natural gas price, the both moves in same direction. Okay, so whenever you start your trade, put your SL, because putting your SL is very important. It will save your capital, because if your capital is safe, you can trade numerous amount of trades with precision and you can make profit. But if the capital is not there, then there is a lesser chances you will take trades. Okay, you can trail your SL, so your profit will be safe. If you are making profit, your capital will increase. This is what you have to do. Okay, coming back on the dollar index, see, dollar index is playing an important role. As see, if a dollar index started forming swing, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 100.8, and if that sustain, we see the price can move towards 101.3. At this level we can see a bounce back can come, and then we can see it will fall towards 100.6, and from there a further fall we can see towards $99, and then a further fall. But if the price move above this particular level, chances are high it will go towards 101.9, and from there a further upside towards, after 101.9 we can see a level of $103, and from there a further upside we can see towards $103.63. okay, suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 104.5 will be there, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high the price will move further upside towards a level of 105.3, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 105.4, and if that level goes further high, a probability of touching 107 we can see, and then a further high. okay, now if the price didn't sustain, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards $99.109, and if the price moving below that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 96 will be there. If the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 95.105 is there. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching 94.5 is there. okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 93.25 is there, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see. okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price, I have already explained you that if the price of dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price comes down, and when dollar index started going down, we see natural gas price goes up. We can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see there is a chances that there is a probability it can sustain, it will cross a level of 3.64, because this is already being tested, so the price will move above this particular level and it will touch a level of 3.8074. suppose if the price move above that particular level, chance of going towards 3.95 is there, and once started moving off this level, probability of touching $4 is there. As soon as the price sustain above $4, probability of going towards a level of 4.0814 will be there, and then it will go towards $4.12, and from there it will move towards 4.2094. okay, and once the price going above this level, it will go towards 4.25, and then it will cross a level of 4.27, and then a further upside movement we can see. okay, and if the price goes above this level, a further high. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards 3.217, and from there it will go towards 3.46, and if the price falling below this level, chance of touching 3.38 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards $3.3, and if the price falling below this level, chance of touching a level of 3.16. if the price falling below that particular level, you will see the price will go further low towards a level of 3.037, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.9. if the price fall below 2.9, a further downfall we can see. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like